Introduction, Bike Empire. Bike Empire welcomes viewers to a quick and clear breakdown of the Hero Splendor Plus, one of the most trusted and best-selling commuter motorcycles in the 100 cubic centimeters segment. Design and build quality. The Hero Splendor Plus carries a simple, classic commuter design with a strong, lightweight frame. Its sleek tank, comfortable single-piece seat, and practical riding posture make it perfect for daily rides. The overall build is durable, reflecting Hero's long-standing reputation for reliability. Engine and performance. Powered by a 97.2 cubic centimeters air-cooled engine with Hero's advanced i3S technology, the Splendor Plus delivers smooth acceleration and excellent fuel efficiency. Its refined engine tuning ensures minimal vibrations and consistent performance for city commuting. Mileage and fuel efficiency. One of the biggest highlights is mileage. The Splendor Plus is known for delivering outstanding fuel efficiency, often above 60 to 70 km/L depending on riding conditions, making it one of the most economical bikes for daily use. Features and technology. It comes with essential features like i3S start-stop system, alloy wheels, tubeless tires, and an updated instrument cluster depending on the variant. The bike maintains its focus on practicality rather than fancy add-ons. Ride comfort and handling. With a comfortable seat, upright ergonomics, and soft suspension, the Splendor Plus offers a smooth and relaxed ride. Its lightweight body makes maneuvering through traffic effortless. Price and variants. The Splendor Plus is available in multiple variants, offering choices for both budget and feature preferences. It remains one of the most affordable and value-driven options in the commuter segment. Conclusion. The Hero Splendor Plus stands as a proven, fuel-efficient, reliable, and budget-friendly commuter bike. Perfect for daily riders who prioritize mileage, low maintenance, and long-term dependability.